We're going to look at another organic machine quilting design, and it's made with the letter U. The U's are connected one to another, and the design is made with 2 passes. You're going to stitch one direction and then stitch back for the second pass. Let's look at the design. Okay, can you see the letter U? See how it alternates? Here's the letter U. Now it's upside down. Right side up, upside down, right side up. Then the pattern on the second pass, you go back and you do the same thing, but you shift half the distance. Notice that this U is in the middle of the 2 U's. This one, it's in the middle, and this one, it's in the middle. This U is in the middle of that first 2 U's on the first pass. We're going to practice first on a whiteboard with a marker. Let's do a split screen. I call it a letter U because we know how to write the letter U. This isn't technically the letter U because the corners are squared, they're not round. It's a 2-pass design. This is the first pass. Now we're going to go back and go in reverse. But we're going to stitch or mark halfway in between the previous one. So we're overlapping but shifting that U. Can you see that? Let's try it one more time. First pass. Then we come back and we're overlapping, but coming halfway. Here's that first U. Now halfway between this one, up in the middle, over, halfway, down, over, halfway, and then up, halfway. It may look more complicated than it really is. Let's see how to stitch that out. You can stitch it, you just need practice. Did you practice? Did you practice on paper and pen first, then go to a quilt sandwich? This is a neat design. I think it's a fun edge-to-edge design that you can put over any quilt, a baby quilt, a modern quilt, fill in negative space. You can also change the scale. It doesn't have to be this big. In fact, not only can you change the scale in terms of the size of the letter U, you can change the distance between these rows or columns. Make the design your own. Change it to suit your quilt project. See you in the next video.